Hello， 大家好，我现在呢在菜园，我每年都会用2颗花芽的土豆给种下去，然后呢，看看今年有多少土豆，非常的兴奋，因为挖土豆呢，我觉得很好玩。你不挖的时候，根本就不知道地底下到底是什么样子的。每挖到一个土豆，就好像挖到宝藏似的。我现在非常的兴奋和激动，我们一起出发吧！种土豆的好处很多。第一，吃得放心，因为土豆是根系蔬菜，长在地底下，不见太阳，所以土壤尤其重要。自家种的土豆既保证土壤和水没有受到污染，而且用的都是有机肥，这样吃得更健康。第二，种土豆非常的容易，几乎都不需要怎么打理，初学者一学就会。第三，自己种的土豆口感佳，比外面买的土豆更好吃。现在我满脑子都是吃的，炸薯条、五花肉炒土豆丝、土豆咖喱鸡，还有糖醋排骨和土豆。不行，不能再讲下去了，讲得我的肚子都饿了。4. 成本低，只要几颗花芽的土豆就能种出一篮子的土豆，然后可以做几道拿手好菜。同一颗土豆出来的居然是2个不一样颜色的，白色跟红色的。这就是我们刚刚挖的土豆，2颗土豆哦，就2颗土豆，看到吗？一篮子的土豆，这里呢，我想差不多应该有7、8磅的土豆吧。好了，我准备进屋了，用这些土豆来做。
I'll start off by cooking the bacon. So I just finished cooking 8 half slices of bacon. Make sure to not overcook them because we still need to cook them later. Next, we're going to cut them into little cubes. Now we're going to start making the waffles. In this bowl, we have 6 small potatoes that we added 2 teaspoons of salt. And 10 minutes later, we mixed it. And then 10 minutes after that, we drained out all the excess liquid. So first, we're going to start by adding half of a large onion that was finely chopped into the bowl. Next, we're going to add our bacon. Next, in this bowl, we have 5 heaping teaspoons of cornstarch. And then mix. After you mix it thoroughly, we're going to add 4 eggs. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of shredded cheese. If you don't like cheese, you don't have to add this much, but I personally love cheese, so I use 1 cup. Next, and lastly, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper mixed with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you mix and we can get started with cooking it. Now that our waffle maker is hot, we're going to spray it with a butter spray so that the batter does not stick on. By the way, this batter makes 4 waffles, so it's perfect for my family. And then make sure to spread it out evenly. Now we can take it out. This is how it looks. Make sure to mix the batter between every waffle so that the egg is evenly distributed. This is the finished product. If you liked today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And make sure to comment down below some video suggestions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!